Cryo-electron microscopy for single-particle analysis has revolutionized biological imaging, changing the way microscopists analyze the building blocks of life. To meet growing demand, research and imaging groups are expanding existing cryo-EM capabilities and bringing previously outsourced data collection in-house. To make this possible, cryo-EM needs to be affordable, easy to use, and more intuitive. That's why we developed the Thermo Scientific Tundra Cryo-TEM, designed to be our most affordable and easy-to-use cryo-TEM to date. This cryo-transmission electron microscope is our first 100 kilovolt instrument, perfect for sample optimization and gathering high-resolution macromolecular imaging datasets. The Tundra Cryo-TEM is easy to use. The unique semi-automated loading station makes sample loading straightforward, minimizes chance of human error, and enables contamination-free sample exchange. Smart EPU software streamlines operation and automates many repetitive tasks using artificial intelligence, enabling quicker learning curve and unattended operation. The Tundra Cryo-TEM achieves high-resolution images on challenging biological structures, making it an accessible, cost-effective instrument fit for many labs. Uncover complex proteins with simplified cryo-EM using the Tundra Cryo-TEM.